I just got off work, so don't mind the tire. So yeah, we have a plan. We're gonna go to Old Man's Cave today. Me, Christine, and the baby. I have to get diapers that I'm gonna pick up for the baby. But I got a surprise. So Christine, she knows we're going to Old Man's Cave. What she doesn't know is that I want to have like a little picnic thing. So I'm gonna pick up some snacks and stuff. So all in her mind, she just expects that we're just going to Old Man's Cave. But really, we're doing more than that. Okay, chips. Oh man, look at the selection. I don't know how well you guys can see here, but that's what we're looking like. Not looking too bad, not looking too shabby. Let's zip it up and get it hidden. Alright. Hey guys,
hey.
We're home and we are packed and ready to go.
And cave.
Are we excited? It's your day. This is all for you. Yes, that's what we wanted to hear.
Alright, let's get into it, guys. We'll see you when we get there.
See you later.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye.
Core. Are we promoting Core right now?
We are, guys. This is the best water ever.
No, we're not really promoting Core.
No.
But I mean, it is good water, but
Yeah.
we're not promoting it.
It's really good water.
Time for some Red Bull. We're not promoting Red Bull either.
Yeah. No one likes Red Bull, but Brandon.
Hey.
I'm just kidding. I think I might be the only human that doesn't like Red Bull, actually.
Yeah.
These people are crazy. They're driving with their windows down.
Alright, what I actually want to know is if you're a Red Bull fan or if you're not, let us know. Because I want to know who wins, me or her.
Guys, I have to win.
No.
Yes, I have to win. I have to win.
Let us know in the comments. I'm totally winning. It's Red Bull.
I'm going to turn the comments off.
No, you're not. What's up, guys? We made it. We are here.
We're here. Kimber is excited.
Old Man's Cave. Let's see. Old Man's Cave. Oh yeah.
What's up, baby?
Let's do this thing.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Might want to lock the doors, huh?
Maybe.
Can you hold that?
Mm-hmm.
Lock the doors.
He's crazy.
I am excited.
Me too.
It's Kimber's first time. It's all of our first times. Nothing. It's all of our first times. So I'm pretty excited.
Kimber, I think something's up.
What?
I think you're...
It's just my murder weapons.
Oh no.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get to the trail and get up in there a little ways, and once we do, we'll get the camera rolling again. But we've got to find our way on the trail first. So we'll be back, guys.
Bye.
Devil's Bathtub. Which one, guys?
Old Man's Cave.
We've got Upper Falls, Devil's Bathtub, Old Man's Cave, Lower Falls. I want to go to Devil's Bathtub, but Mom's saying Old Man's Cave, so Old Man's Cave it is. I want to see Old Man's Cave anyways. You see her? Is she liking it?
She loves it. I don't think she likes her hat. You think I
Hey.
should take it off?
No.
No.
Yeah, take it off actually.
I thought there was going to be sun. That's why I brought it. Because I didn't want her head to be sunburned.
There she is. There she is.
You love it.
Yes. That's a big smile.
Say you love it.
Old Man's Cave. Say video number 2. Let's do it tomorrow.
Video number 2.
Look at her. She says, "What are you doing, Dad? Come on."
She's wondering.
Okay, so you want to know what's in this bag?
Yeah, I've been wondering. I've been trying to figure it out.
Do you really?
Yeah.
You want to have a picnic?
Yes! Oh my gosh.
You want to have a picnic?
She's like, don't squish me.
You pick where you want to sit at.
The wheels on mommy go round and round.
The wheels on mommy go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wait, can we get copyright for singing this? Alright, so this is where our destination is. You see that, guys? We'll see when we make it over there.
Kimber, look at this.
Time to eat. So I was gonna get sandwiches, but I was like, I don't feel like making sandwiches, dude. So
Yeah, these are perfect.
yeah.
Oh my god. Pringles,
Heck yeah.
chicken nuggets. You can never go wrong with chicken nuggets.
Never.
Purple Powerade.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Good.
So that's good for Dad?
Yeah.
Dad did a good job?
Yeah.
Heck
you did
yeah.
a good job. Here, say, pound it off, Dad.
Found a rock?
Oh.
Found a rock.
She's like, I just want to jump.
Alright guys, so the surprise was good.
Very good. Like, it hit the spot.
On the way down here, she's like, we should stop and get something to eat or like get something to drink. I'm like,
I was too. I'm like, my stomach's sick. We even put into a spot to eat and they were closed. He's like, let's just go.
Okay, so we was making a video the other day, and in that video, I don't know why. Oh, okay, so the footage got messed up, so we couldn't upload it. But in that video, we was talking to you guys about Kimber watching literally every time Mom takes a bite of food and not taking her eyes off of it, and you guys got to see it.
So bad. Mmm.
Okay, are you gonna stare at the food?
Ow! Trying to grab it.
Oh, where are you going?
No, you can't grab it. No. You're gonna shake your whole hand.
Oh my gosh. She's adorable, guys. She's come so far. If you guys know us personally, you know the whole story, you know the whole background, and you know just how much she's really improved. Honestly, you guys don't even have to know us personally. If you just go back and watch our videos that we have uploaded as of right now, you'll see the progress that she's made from then to now.
Look at her, she's pulling my watch. Trying to. And me slobber all over my hand.
How does Mommy's arm taste? Alright guys, we're still eating.
Yeah.
So we'll see you when we go into Old Man's Cave.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this. Are we ready? Look at this.
Alright guys, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see down here.
What's that, baby?
Are you a happy girl? Yeah.
Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Man, look at that down there. You're gonna do big things in this world. Yeah, don't you? All right. He's so big. He's so big. Are we having fun? Can we tell everybody how much fun we're having?
It's like so much fun. We're having so much fun.
Say yay! Yay!
Aw.
That's some stuff. Look at that. Put your hand out. Hey baby, you got a wipe? Wipe her hand on her block.
Did you like it? Did you like it?
Say no to bacteria.
See, that thing's so cool.
Look at it. I can see it. Oh my gosh. This whole parenting thing, it's an amazing feeling. It's rough. There's point in times where it's rough. Especially with all that, like, not all the, people have been through a lot worse than us. So don't get me wrong. When I'm saying this, I'm not trying to make anybody feel bad for us when I say this, but we've been through a lot.
Yeah.
And it was rough at times, and it's amazing at times. I wouldn't change it for the world.
I think it's really made us who we are as individuals. We don't take things for granted anymore.
No.
We almost lost our baby, you know?
And I can say this firsthand, like, one of the best feelings in the world is doing stuff like this and seeing her smile. I guess it's time to head back to the car.
Yeah. Find our way back.
Find our way back.
Go home and play some Fortnite.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
It's definitely a lot easier now that it's coming up.
A lot easier.
And we got a little bit more to go.
Yeah. Like, way up there.
Alright guys, we finally made it back to the car. It's been so amazing. It was a long walk, but I definitely enjoyed every single second of it.
Yeah, I had an amazing time, and I know Kimber did too. And we just want to let you guys know that we are so thankful for all the support and encouraging words you guys have given us since day one. And we love you guys so much for that.
Yeah, we definitely love you guys for all the support and encouraging words you give us. You guys don't understand how much that helps us. If you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did, make sure to give us a like on our videos, a comment to let us know what you want to see more of. Make sure to let us know about the Red Bull and if you want to see a part 2.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And make sure to hit that subscribe button for us, guys. It's not about the subs, the comments, the likes. It's not about that for us. But throughout this journey, this YouTube journey, that's what helps us. That's what helps us be able to do this. And we want to upload more for you guys. And for that to happen, we've got to have more subs, likes, and comments. That's just how YouTube works.
Mm-hmm. And if you guys want to follow us on Instagram, our Instagram usernames are right down here. See you later, guys.
Bye, guys.